Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, a for loop is a powerful and convenient way to iterate over a sequence of elements, such as a list, tuple, string, or range. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using for loops in Python, providing code examples and explanations along the way. The basic syntax of a for loop in Python is as follows. Variable: this is a user-defined variable that takes on the value of each element in the iterable during each iteration. Iterable: this is the sequence of elements over which the loop iterates. Output. 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 If you need both the index and the value of each element in an iterable, you can use the enumerate function. Output. The for loop is a versatile tool in Python for iterating over sequences. Whether you're working with lists, strings, or ranges, the for loop can help you process each element efficiently. Experiment with different examples to solidify your understanding of this fundamental programming construct. ChatGPT.